Namjoo's a great dancer too. Woo! Okay. Birdie, yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Sean back with another reaction video in a new setup. This is my new. No, this isn't. I'm at my sister's. I am staying over at her place for a bit, so you guys will see the next week of reactions will probably be in this room. If you are new here, I am the biggest A-Pink fan. Okay, they came to Vancouver in 2015. And I love them so much, and I hope they come back soon. But my girl Namjoo came back with a solo song. I was not expecting this, and it's so great. I'm super excited to check this one out. You guys don't even know! And if you do not know, go check out my playlist of all my cringy other reactions from like a couple years ago. My style was a lot different back then, but they are pretty funny reactions. So you can go check those out if you're interested. And without further ado, let's get into it. Bird, Namjoo. Okay, as soon as I heard about this, I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna miss a reaction for this. Let's get into this. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh! Oh, she's got some dancers too? Namjoo, oh my goodness. She looks so good. Okay, what are we talking about? Forgotten Wings. Wow, beautifully shot. Look at that. Wait. Wow, she like just lifted there. Anticipated sun. Oh, hey Namjoo. Namjoo's a great dancer too. Woo! Okay. Birdie, yeah. They went like this. Wow. Wow, she's really getting to shine in this one. In the glitter. Blue wings. Woo! Got the eagle in the back. She sounds a lot different in this too. Namjoo. These pops, bro? Yo, come on, this hook is crazy. You see the way she moves her hips into that too? The wave here. I love the way she says that. You wanna burn this up? Wow, we're getting a lot of different looks from her. Queen Namjoo. Smile there, come on. This is a really cool shot. He's like on a plate. Is that like a dinner plate? Queen Namjoo, what did I say? This is sick. The flowers. You see the water splash? Hey! Yo, I wasn't expecting her to put out a track like this. I thought it was gonna be a ballad. I am so impressed. Yo, Namjoo didn't come to play, bro. Taemin's up next after this. But, wow, okay guys, I know you probably think I'm exaggerating with this reaction. And no, I'm just a big fan, okay? And I'm so proud of Namjoo for coming out with a song like this. Really getting to show off like her lower vocal tone, but also just like all the dance that she can do. So sick. Really great stuff. Super impressed. Gonna burn up. Hey, yo, you know what? I'm feeling it. Let's watch the showcase stage. I'll change the opacity, whatever. Kim Namjoo, Kim Namjoo, Kim Namjoo, Kim Namjoo, Kim Namjoo, Kim Namjoo, Bird, hey. That's the chant, the fan chant. Let's check out this dance, wow. Little pigment here. Hey. On my vocals. She pulls the guy's shirt. Her vocals here are so nice. Wait, let's see how she gets into this. That's so cool. Oh, the guys have the mask. Dude, that's the mask to be glitter mask. Yo, that part? Come on. Okay, I'm a bird. I love how she's like stretching out in like the back like this. Birdie, yeah. And then she does this. Oh, the way she like gets down like that. Hey. Woo, that move is sick. You got drums. Hey. I love this. I don't know what it is, but rapper now. Hey. Eagle. I love it. Oh, the attitude, the sass. The guy's bending back. Let's go. Your head goes in. I like that. Yeah, she throws it and then she. Ooh. Hey. I love she just slows it down just. Boom, 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 boom. Hey. I love that move. Fire. She spins around. Okay, vocals. Dude, look at her facial expression there. She ain't come to play, bro. Hey! Hey! Look at her just confidence, bro. Confidence. Yo, look at her. Oh my goodness. Namjoo. I feel like she really gets to shine here, and she's in her element for sure. I love it. Alright guys, make sure you guys go stream. I want her to get a win on this. I really hope. It's a really tough season right now, so we'll see what happens. But thank you for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.